Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to make your Canva designs look cleaner and more organized, especially when working on reports, presentations, or guides, today's tutorial is for you. In this quick video, I'll show you exactly how to add a numbered list in Canva, the simple 2025 way. Let's jump right in. First, open Canva and select the project you're working on, whether it's a document, presentation, or any design with text. Once you're in your project, click on the text box that you want to turn into a list. If you don't have one yet, you can easily add a new text box from the left toolbar by clicking text, then choosing a style that fits your design. Now, with your text selected, look at the toolbar at the top of the Canva editor. You'll see several formatting icons like alignment, spacing, and effects. Among them, find the list icon. It usually looks like 3 lines with small dots or numbers beside them. Click that icon once, and you'll see your text instantly convert into a bulleted list. That's great for unordered items. But since we're making a numbered list, there's one more simple step. Click that same list icon again. And just like that, Canva switches your text into a neatly formatted numbered list. Each item is now automatically numbered in order, making your content look professional, structured, and easy to follow. This quick feature is perfect for step-by-step guides, instructions, or any project where you need clarity and sequence. Plus, you can still customize the font, color, and spacing just like regular text. Canva keeps everything flexible, and that's it. You've successfully added a numbered list in Canva. To recap, select your text, click the list icon once for bullets, click it again for numbers, and you're good to go. Simple, clean, and done in seconds. If you found this tutorial helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick Canva tips and design tricks. Keep creating, stay inspired, and I'll see you in the next video.